But the first thing we must accept as we go searching for the meaning of life is that all this is nothing more than physics. You see, the entire universe works according to the laws of nature, such as gravity. These laws control everything, from the inner workings of atoms to the collisions of colossal galaxies. I see no reason why we tiny humans should be the exception to the rule. After all, we are made of the exact same materials, operating to the very same principles. So the challenge is to explain what humans really are and how we, small, insignificant beings, relate to the enormous, ancient, and rather beautiful universe that produced us. Only then, I think, can we discover if there is a meaning to our lives, and perhaps even what that meaning is. The first person